Once you've put in all the information for your time map, the next step will be to publish your spreadsheet to the web. Go to the File menu and click on Publish to the Web. Make sure the box is checked next to Automatically Republish when changes are made and click Publish. You'll now see a note that says this document is published to the web. In order to copy the link for your time map, you'll need to use the link from the Share button instead of the link from the publishing box we have open here. To do this, go to the Share button in the upper right corner and click on Get Shareable Link. Make sure your link is set to anyone with the link can view and copy the link. Now go back to the Time Mapper website and scroll down to Step 2. You could click on the Select from your Google Drive button to browse for the spreadsheet. However, you can also just copy the URL of the Google spreadsheet into the box below. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to use the pre-prepared example listed in Step 1 since I didn't add very much to my template yet. So it automatically filled in the URL of the example for me and automatically created a title. However, this is where you would specify what the title for your time map would be. You can also control how your data will be viewed by selecting Time Map, Timeline, or Map, depending on whether you want to see your timeline with your map, just as a timeline, or just as a map. You can specify how you want ambiguous dates to be handled in US style or non-US style, and whether you want your timeline to start on the first event, the last event, or today. Click Publish when you're ready to move forward. If you look at your timeline and decide that you want to make any changes, you can do this at any time by going back to your spreadsheet. Let's say that I wanted to change this picture. I'd go back to my spreadsheet and copy the URL of the image I wanted to use. Then I'd paste it into the image column for the row that I want to change the image for and refresh my timeline to see the change. You can share your timeline either with the link at the top, or you can get the embed code in the upper right corner that you can paste into a website where you'd like to display your time map.